Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square equals to a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So this one that is about a. This one that is about b. To create about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, we need to multiply this one on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about n plus 1 minus n minus 1. So n minus n we cancel 1 minus negative number 1, we have positive number 2. So we see that this is about the number. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.